Hanuman Janmotsav, which falls on the 2nd of April 2026, teaches us a very powerful lesson on why real strength never needs an audience. See, we know that Lord Hanuman was Sri Ram's most devoted servant, his greatest bhakt, and that devotion made him powerful. But there is a story from the Mahabharata that completely changes this perspective. Let's unpack it. Bhima, the second Pandava, the strongest man alive, during their exile was once walking through a forest when he comes across an old frail monkey blocking his path. His tail was stretched across the road. Bhima, clearly irritated, says, "Move your tail, old one. Don't you know who I am?" The monkey doesn't move. Bhima tries to lift the tail himself, but he can't. He then tries with both hands. He still can't. He falls to his knees. This is when the old monkey reveals himself. It was Lord Hanuman, the same Hanuman who once held a mountain in his palm, who leapt across an ocean, who could have actually burnt the entire Lanka alone. And Bhima, broken open, asks, "Why do you hide your power?" Lord Hanuman smiles and says, "Because power displayed just for the sake of it is just another form of fear." This is the distinction that Vedic philosophy draws between two kinds of strength. The first is the Ahamkara Shakti. This is power that needs to be seen, power that wants to keep proving itself, power that is actually anxiety wearing an armor, versus the Ichcha Shakti, which is sovereign will, a power so grounded in purpose that it has no need for performance. Lord Hanuman's entire life was actually a masterclass in Ichcha Shakti. He had every capability, and yet he deployed it only when it served the Dharma. Never to be witnessed, never to be feared, and never to fill a void. We live in a world that has confused visibility with power, loudness with strength, and hustle with purpose. But Lord Hanuman, despite being a god, deliberately appeared small. And that teaches us that real power doesn't have to announce itself all the time. It arrives only when it's needed, only when it serves a purpose larger than itself. Follow for more such content.